That's why we came to AEP, and that's why we're throwing frogs, y'all. Let's go. What is up, y'all? It's Matt back with another episode of Good to Go Fishing. Today we are at AEP in Southeast Ohio, camping and kayak bass fishing for the weekend. In this video, we are going to show you what we do to catch largemouth bass at AEP and all these beautiful strip mines out here, y'all. If y'all are interested in fishing adventure videos, hit that subscribe button, y'all. If you want to see some more of my content, hit that notification bell so you get informed whenever a new video drops. We'll see you on the water, y'all. Peace. All right, y'all, we made it on the water the first morning of our camping trip. And as you can tell, the weather is beautiful. It's perfect. Just a little drizzle. Ain't nothing we need to worry about. First thing I'm going to try is a wacky rigged Senko. I got a feeling it's going to be that kind of bite, guys, so stick with us. Let's see if we can get some bass in the boat. Worm fishing, getting blowed into the bank. Worm fishing, water really stank. Oh, there's a bite. Got him. First fish of the day. There we go, boys. That's a greenfish. 3 pounds of moss, 1 pound of bass. First little skinny, ugly little bass of the day. Dude, this guy's deformed a little bit on the back like some sort of falcon. Try to swoop him out of the water. Look how skinny he is. First fish of the day on the wacky rig Senko. Hell yeah. Check you later. This is the bait I'm using, guys. All right, here's the baits I'm using, guys. These Yum Dingers, green pumpkin. And this is how I'm rigging it up. What you do here is you got your little O-ring contraption. Slide a little O-ring down the thing. Put the worm in a tube like that. And then put the O-ring over it. Like that. After that, you just take this hook. I put it through a little bit of the worm and then through the O-ring. There you go, that's a wacky rig. Now what I'm doing is I'm casting it out and I'm letting it sink for about 3 seconds. I give it 3 pops and then let it sink on a slack line. Right when it's sinking is usually when they hit it. Got him. Oh, dude, he hit like crazy fast. I didn't even feel him. Little guy. Dink number dose. Y'all gotta watch your line when you're worm fishing. Sometimes you don't even feel them hit. Chris is on one. On the frog. There you go. Got him. He's a fighter. He did one jump and gave up. There we go, boys. Bass number 3. Another little dink, but I'll take him. Oh, there's a bite. Got him. I knew there was one in there. Ooh, he's tugging good. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll take that all day. There we go. There's another one. Still not big enough to use the front GoPro, though. He's not worthy. We're at our 3rd spot for the day. The first one we caught the dinks. The second one we didn't catch crap. Dustin caught a couple little largemouth bass. Now we got this new spot. and it looks beautiful, man. I'm hoping there's some big bass in here. I think I'm going to start off with the frog and then go from there, but this is my favorite looking pond so far, guys. Just something fun about finding a new spot, and if it's good fishing, even freaking better, y'all, even better. Oh, got a bite on my frog. Look at this, y'all. We are in it. This looks like frog heaven. Come on, give me a big old bass. Give me a big old bass. Give me a big old bass. You gotta say it 3 times. Right. Got him! Big one! Ooh, boy. Oh my gosh. Come on, please, please. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Big one, boys! Woo! Look at this freaking chunk, guys! Woo! Yes, sir! Toad alert! Yes, sir! Get him back in the water. Dude, I knew there was a good reason I came back here. Easy, 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 easy. Let's get this dude weighed. I am shaking. Four on the dot. 4 on the dot, boys. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Woo! Look at this freaking toad. Oh, dude. That made my day right there, y'all. That freaking made my day. I'm gonna get a length on him too. 20 and a quarter. 20 and a quarter. Yes. Look at this freaking beast of a bass. Chunky. That's why we came to AEP, and that's why we're throwing frogs, y'all. Let's go. All right, y'all. That's going to be a wrap for this video. We slayed a lot of dinks, and I caught that big, nice 4-pound largemouth. It was a really incredible trip overall. If you guys do like this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up. And if you want to, drop by my channel and check out the rest of my videos. And if you dig that stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that little bell right there to make sure y'all get notified whenever a new video drops. Until next time, peace.